What's going on today, guys? So I wanted to take this video. I realized a couple days ago that I've had this lift kit on here for 2 years. I've had the wheels and tires on here for 2 years. I've kind of had the gears in here for 2 years. That's a whole different story. I'm not going to get into that. But the one thing I really wanted to focus on today with this video is the fact that I've had the same lift kit for 2 years, and I think you guys deserve a little bit of my thoughts on the lift kit. So that's kind of what I'm going to start the video off with today. Second half of the video, Zach got a new car, and he's actually coming up here to the tint shop, and we're going to show off his new car. It's some crazy foreign car that I've never heard of, but it's supposed to be really freaking cool, so we're going to take a look at that. But there's really 3 things that I'm going to go over with this lift kit. One, to let you guys know, I have a 7 to 9 inch MCGAUGHYS lift kit for the 2014 to 18 or 19 Silverado, something like that. It is adjustable struts. I've also had a 4-inch FabTech lift kit on this truck, and I've had a 6-inch rough country. So I've really covered my bases as far as different kinds of lift kits, qualities of lift kits, and different things like that. One of the reasons I think you guys would really enjoy this video, I did this video like almost a year and a half, maybe at least a year and a half ago, and the video did pretty well. And now it's been almost 2 years. It has been 2 years since I've had the lift kit, almost 2 years since I did that video, and it's time for an update. So I wanna, a lot of you guys message me, hey, how's the MCGAUGHYS lift kit? How does it ride? This, that, different things. I'm gonna cover all of this in this video. So make sure you guys hit that like button to support your boy, and just sit back and let's get into it. So the 3 things I really wanna cover in this video about this lift kit are very simple. It's how does it look? How does it ride? And what issues has it had? And I mean, those are the 3 biggest things with a lift kit. I would, as long as you can take care of your truck, a lift kit's not gonna give you any issues. And I'm mainly covering these things to kind of debunk some of the issues. Now I'm gonna disclaimer right here. Some people have had issues with the MCGAUGHYS lift kits in the past. Some people haven't. Some people have had, every lift kit under the sun is gonna have issues. It just depends on the kind of truck you have. It depends on how you treat your truck, all of that. My first initial impression is I absolutely love the MCGAUGHYS lift kit. I've had no issues with it. All of the issues I've had with my truck have been my own doing, and it's been other stuff. It's been gears or just other stuff. It's not, nothing that's going on with the truck has had anything to do with the lift kit. One of the biggest things that people tell me that they hear about these lift kits and have experienced, and I've actually had close friends experience this, is the powder coat comes off relatively quick. Now I'm gonna show you guys real quick that I've had this lift kit for over 2 years now, and none of the powder coat has started to come off. Now obviously the lift kit's pretty dirty just because it's been on here for so long, but the shocks still look really good. All of the powder coat on all of the pieces, all the drop brackets, everything, all of the just every piece that has been powder coated from MCGAUGHYS. And I am going to tell you guys, this all did come from MCGAUGHYS powder coated silver. None of those pieces have started chipping or flaking or anything. The only chip that's on the powder coat that I know of right now is for me changing out the CV axle a couple months ago, and that's really it. Everything else looks absolutely phenomenal. There's no chips, there's no flakes, there's no clear coat coming, nothing. It's perfect. Now, like I said, everybody's gonna have their different issues. I know people, I've seen it in person, people with the same lift kit for older trucks, and the powder coat has just started coming off, just flaking off immediately, probably within 6 months or so. That's not the case for me, so I'm here to tell you guys I have not experienced that. I would not go off of that if you're deciding to buy one of these lift kits. I'm not really going to talk about the back of the truck. Now, all of your lift kits do come with powder coated blocks. Obviously, the blocks really don't matter. The blocks in the back have nothing to do with how the truck rides, so I'm not really going to cover anything on the back. The quality and the ride on the back of the truck is all going to be based on wheels, tires, leaf springs, different things like that. I went with Fox shocks in the back when I did this lift kit, so I really have no opinion on the MCGAUGHYS shocks. I never had the MCGAUGHYS shocks on the truck. Number 2, the ride quality. The ride quality really is based off of 2 things, and they're pretty straightforward. It's the 7 to 9 inch strut in the front, and if you went and decided to upgrade to the upper control arms, that plays a factor as well. If you guys are trying to decide whether to upgrade to aftermarket control arms, I would 100% recommend that you do that for 2 reasons. One, you're gonna get better ball joints because the ball joints in the upper control arms that come from MCGAUGHYS are reserviceable. You can put different ball joints in. The ones from the factory are stupid, and once those ball joints go out, you have to replace a control arm completely because you can't take that ball joint out of the upper control arm. And two, the way that they're actually angled, they actually are angled back a little bit. They've actually helped my truck not scrub as much on the front and back. So normally the ball joint would sit where my finger is, but because of the shape and the angle that they designed their control arms at, it actually pushes everything back a little bit, and I don't scrub as much on the truck, which is 100% A+. And that right there is pretty, I think, reason enough to just go ahead and upgrade to the better upper control arm. And the second part of how the truck rides is most importantly gonna be based off of this 7 to 9 inch strut right here. Now the strut comes set at 7 inches. When they put the strut together, when they're installing your lift kit, they can adjust it to 9 inches, which is why it is a 7 to 9 inch lift kit. You can adjust it to 9 inches. This, compared to the rough country strut that I had that came, and actually let me restart. Let me restart. Whoa. When I had my rough country lift kit, I had a lot of issues with the front end squeaking, and it was actually the struts that squeaked a lot. I don't know why, but I always had issues with those squeaking. I've had this lift kit on here for 2 years. I've sent it through the mud plenty of times. I've done some decent off-roading. I've taken it to the sand at the beach. I mean, I've taken it all over the place, and I've had no noises. Absolutely no noises, no nothing. I've had no issues, knock on wood. I absolutely love the struts compared to the rough country ones. Now, again, I'm not saying the rough country ones are bad. This is just my personal take and my personal experience with these struts. And the third part of this is what kind of issues have I had? So the only issue that I've had with this lift kit, I've had one issue, and that was I don't have a flashlight on me. One of the bushings on my right front control arm, for whatever reason, the bushing had shifted just a little bit and it started squeaking. All we had to do was loosen it. We kind of had to kick it and move it a little bit and then tighten it back, and the squeaking was gone. That is the only issue I've had with this lift kit. That's it. I mean, I literally have had no issues with this lift kit. All of the other issues I've had with my truck have been because I'm stupid or people have done bad work to it or whatever the case is, but none of it has been the lift kit. So I'm here to tell you guys, with this video, I'm taking a whole video to explain to you guys, if you guys are trying to decide between getting a MCGAUGHYS lift kit and something else, and you have the opportunity to go MCGAUGHYS, I would 100% recommend that you do so. Okay, so Zach pulled up right as I'm finishing this part of the video. So please, if you want, you can even take the camera and just kind of walk around. You want to take the camera
and do a walk around?
Yeah.
Of this floor?
Yeah.
Sure.
Are you up to the challenge?
It's not much of a challenge. Are they ready to handle it?
Hey, look. Get this video to 100 likes and tell him to start posting on his damn YouTube channel.
I need some more fans, man.
Yes. No, you don't. You need to start posting content.
Yeah, you're right. I do.
Content. Let's get into this walk around. So tell me what this is real quick.
So it's a Nissan Laurel C33. It's got an RB25 DET in it. It's a motor from a Skyline R33. And so, yeah, it's an imported Japanese car, man. Right-hand drive and everything.
So,
I think it's a 93. I'll be honest, I don't even know, dude.
So somewhere around 1993.
I just got it. I was excited.
Nissan Laurel. It's from Japan, 100% import. Sam, if you're watching this, Sam's probably shitting a brick right now. My cousin Sam works at an import shop in North Carolina.
Oh, hell yeah.
And the owner actually goes to Japan once or twice a month and brings back parts.
See, a lot of people, they'll see the, you know, the R32 Skylines. That was a big thing. The Chasers are becoming a little bit bigger, Mark IIs as well, but these Laurels, dude, they're still pretty damn rare here, so that's
really
so awesome.
So this is a very rare car that Zach has picked up. Like he said, it's got a Skyline engine in it. Is big turbo?
Oh yeah, it's got a upgraded turbo. It's got a T20 ball bearing turbo in it.
What? So for us truck guys, we go off millimeters. What size millimeter turbo is that?
Yeah, dude, I haven't even looked, honestly.
Oh, it opens this way.
No, just gotta lift the hood a bit. It opens this way.
Ooh, so what were y'all doing to it today? I saw something on...
So, dude, there was like really bad idling issues, and it was real crazy, dude. There's like a little arc going on down here, so we just put a little earth wire that resolved that issue. I don't know if that was part of anything.
Like a ground?
I have no idea. It's a ground for now. And dude, the throttle position sensor, this was hooked up to it, and it was like idling real bad. We unhooked it, and now it runs straight. I don't know what the fuck, but it works.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not a huge I don't know, but looks like it's got a pretty nice little turbski down there.
Oh fuck yeah, dude.
Ooh. Ooh. I bet this thing will move.
It does, man. It gets up and goes.
So was today your first time really just driving it around? And
yeah, actually I just got back from my first official drive.
how was it?
Dude, I still feels like a dream, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. But I've been busting ass, dude. You know how late we've been here at night.
Oh yeah.
I mean, this doesn't just come overnight, dude. This is grinding.
Yeah.
And that constant reminder of, dude, let's get this fucking bread.
Exactly.
Because this is what it fucking pays for.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you. And if y'all didn't notice, it is right side drive. I mean, the inside of this is stupid clean.
It's pretty damn cool.
Compared to your other car, no offense to your other car, but compared to the other car, I mean, it's got leather seats. I mean, this thing is stupid clean on the inside.
Seats either. They always come that grandpa fucking
Cloth.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
So it's they're custom black seats. Yep. Right side drive. I don't know how you. I mean, I can drive a stick shift, but driving right side drive stick shift is completely different. It's even got the double din touch radio in there. Damn, son. 180 on the dash. That's awesome. That's so cool.
Custom fucking hood vent, dude.
Custom hood vent.
Cut out and, you know, all the custom work by me. No, I'm kidding.
Dang, that's so cool.
Yeah, man. I love it.
If this video, like I said, if this video gets 100 likes, which normally you guys crush at 100 likes is pretty decent for me.
I'll start my shit.
He's gonna start posting more on his channel, hopefully, and we'll go for a test drive at some point. We won't do that today because it's getting kind of late, but 100 likes and
then a test drive.
And then a test drive. We're going for a test drive right now. This is so weird getting inside this side of the car. That's so freaking weird. This is so weird. Like, I don't think you guys understand what it's like to sit on this side of the car. This is so weird. What if they made a right side drive lifted truck?
Bro,
that would be so sick.
Dude, that would grow your fucking channel so much.
That'd be the biggest thing since sliced bread. Oh my goodness.
It's not at its maximum potential yet though, so.
Well, let me just be honest. I drive a big lifted truck and anything is fast to me, okay?
True.
So it's very easy to go past me. Oh, we got a clear, just. You can hear the turbo. Dang, that must be a pretty decent sized turbo. You can hear it. Sounds like a diesel truck.
Yeah, dude, that's what I love about it.
It kind of does sound like a diesel truck. You hear that turbo flutter. Well, we'll save all of that for the next video. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Zach and Cody's YouTube channel. If you guys want to see more content of this beautiful car, make sure you guys go subscribe over there. Thank you so much for the test drive and showing your car off to me today.
Dude. Thanks, man.
Always the GOAT. I will see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoy the content. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, join the bread gang. You guys are the best. I'll see you next time. Let's get this bread.